instant skin tone and a natural glow on your wish list? Introducing GLOW Iridescent Brightening Essence. It is enriched with rosehip oil, which is a nourishing vitamin elixir which is going to moisturize and brighten your skin. Vitamins A, C, D, and E repair and nourish the skin, giving you a natural radiance. The antioxidants in rosehip oil help firm the skin and reduce fine lines. The Aurora Drops, also known as cholesteric liquid crystals, moisturize and strengthens your skin surface, giving it a 3D luminous effect. Take a pea-sized amount of the iridescent brightening essence, apply it evenly on your face twice a day, in the morning and at night. For best results, prep your skin with the GLOW Iridescent Brightening Cleanser and Toner and follow it up with the GLOW Iridescent Brightening Moisturizing Cream. Do it till you glow. So don't forget to head over to the MyGlamm app and website to grab your GLOW products.